So it's Sunday again, and yeah, well, I have to start driving to Aragon. It's 2.5 day drive, and so yeah, that's why I leave Sunday morning. And the first little bit, my little daughter, saying hi, is joining me. So yeah, let's go. The weather is really nice, so yeah, what more could you want? Okay, well, that was day one. Not too bad actually. Yeah, I did a good amount of kilometers, and tomorrow, well, not only for tomorrow, also for Tuesday, but I still have 1030 kilometers to go. So that's gonna be, yeah, the whole day tomorrow as well, and then just a little bit on Tuesday morning. As you could have seen, I passed a lot of cities, and at the border in Belgium I had to stop as well to get a new box. That's because my previous one was broken, and this is how you pay the road tax in Belgium. So yeah, I had to stop for this to get a new box. And after that, yeah, it went pretty well. A little bit of delay in Paris, but yeah, that's normal. I mean, Paris is a very beautiful city to visit, but yeah, when you pass it with your car or truck, it's yeah, not the best city in the world. But anyway, we passed that as well. I'm just in front of Tours at the moment, so yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings. Good night for now. Yes, a very good morning to you all. Yeah, I slept pretty good actually. It's just past 6 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, I have a little over 9-hour rest, so I'm legally allowed to drive again. So I did my morning check already, see if everything is still okay with the truck, and then yeah, well, let's get going. For another 45 minutes, and as you can see, I open up the wheel covers as well a little bit, yeah, just to cool down the tires as much as possible, because it's well over 30 degrees here already in southern France. So yeah, you can imagine if they are closed, yeah, a lot of heat stays in this area, and the tire is a lot warmer then, and yeah, you get more chance of a blowout, and yeah, that would set me back a lot. There's also a chance to get damage to the truck, so yeah, try this. It's no guarantee, but yeah, every small thing helps, so that's why I do this. Yeah, you can see there are some ventilation holes, but yeah, it's not sufficient enough. It doesn't really look nice, see, but yeah, I cannot drive like this. So when I have a break, I do this when it's really hot, and yeah, when I have to drive again, obviously I close them again, and yeah, hope for the best. Okay, I'm still here. I call it coincidence or anything, but yeah, I never had this in all my years of driving, and now I make a little video about cooling the tires at the stop. And when I want to drive away, I found a blister on this tire. So that means I called the emergency, and yeah, they are coming to replace the tire, because this is dangerous to continue traveling. Then you can have a big blowout and have even more damage to the truck, and maybe even have an accident. So yeah, better to wait. So the emergency service arrived. I accidentally found also the front tire of my trailer was broken as well, so they call for an extra tire to be changed. But yeah, they're working on changing the tires now. Hopefully they are fast enough so I can continue on my way. But yeah, I have still plenty of time, so will be no problem. And it's only problem is it's freaking hot now. So, but he's in the shade. I picked a good side to park. Well, it's all done now. After 3 hours and 40 minutes at this parking, I got 2 new tires, and yeah, I have to retighten them after 150 k's. So yeah, but for now I can start driving again. It's 5:20 p.m. and yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit more to get well into Spain. So tomorrow should be easy still. So let's go. also with secure truck parking, so I thought for 60 euros I take my chances, and yeah, because it's still very hot outside, like 30 degrees, and the only way I can have an air conditioning is when I have the truck running. So yeah, that's not an option, so that's going to be a sweaty night then. And well, actually this is, look at this, for yeah, just 60 euros. I mean, that's a steal. So had a nice shower, and well, now I go to the restaurant and see if I can get some food as well. A very good morning to you all. I mean, I had a really good sleep. Yeah, this hotel is pretty good. Pretty good find. It's between Pamplona and Zaragoza. And yeah, for me, I just have 200 kilometers to go, so it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and yeah, let's do the final stretch, and hopefully there's some space in the truck wash so I can wash the truck. Well, we arrived in Alcanis, that's close to the track, with the truck wash. My colleague already washed the truck, and Ducati is in, one of the Ducatis is in at the moment. Then it's my turn, and just Valentino Motorhome also arrived. That's my truck. So yeah, have it cleaned. And then yeah, it's still before 10 a.m. and we don't start parking until 2, so we still have plenty of time. A very good morning. So it's Thursday today, and we're about to leave to the track. I'm gonna drop off my tires first at Michelin, and then I'm gonna show you guys a tour of the bottom part of my trailer. So here we are in the bottom part of my trailer, and yeah, let me show you what's inside. Okay, so here we have some of our spare products, like brake cleaner or some shampoo or extra chain, paper, and while traveling we put the scooters here, and all this foam is yeah, just to avoid getting the scooters getting damaged. So moving forward, this is the fairing crate. I keep my fairing in here, so all the spare fairing is nicely packed in here. So this is the drum I only use on Sunday for the cool fuel, and in the middle we keep some carpet and some water hoses and stuff like that. Also, during traveling there's a lot of gray bins here as well, just to travel the parts. Some oil in the middle. This is the control box where I can control the lights and the input for the voltage I can check here. So, and then here are the coolers to freeze the fuel, and only for Sunday more or less. So we put the fuel here, one for Alex, one for Taka, and in the wooden crate we keep the stands while traveling. So yeah, this is one side. Let's go to the next. Okay, so this is the other side. Here we keep also some gray bins with equipment. This is all my tire warmers in here. My sprockets I keep there. In the middle there are two spare engines and some fuel we keep stored here when there's no more room in the pit box. Yeah, that's pretty much it, really. Well, that's it, the bottom part of my trailer. Okay, the truck is packed, it's closed, the weekend is done, and now we're going to start our trip to Misano together with my colleague Freccia. And yeah, for now this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe as well. Well, I'll see you later. Ciao.